Washi tapes are back, and they are hotter than ever. There are many ways to use washi tapes in your crafts. Today I'm going to show you how you can use washi tape to create your own custom paper design for super simple and easy to make holiday card. Hi everyone, I'm Yana Smakula and welcome back to my channel. Let's get to it. Here I'm starting to work on my card by adhering strips of this gorgeous washi tape design, and this is Christmas typo design from Alexander Renke, onto a piece of white cardstock. This panel is cut to 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and it's going to make the front of my card. The awesome thing about washi tapes is that they allow you to easily make your own designs to dress up just about anything. This particular Christmas design also makes a great addition to gift wrap, and I'm actually looking forward to using this tape along with a few other tape designs from Alexander Renke to wrap my Christmas gifts this holiday season. As I'm adhering this washi tape, you can notice that I'm not trimming this right up to the edge of the panel, but instead I'm leaving a bit of excess tape, and you'll see why in just a minute. By the way, all of the supplies I'm using today are listed below in the video description, and there are also links to places where you can buy them if you happen to like any of these. Now that I have my tape adhered, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the ends of the tape around the panel to the other side, just to make sure my tape is really going to stay in place and that the corners or edges are not going to peel. Now, this particular washi tape has pretty strong hold, so it's not like it would peel on its own, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. I actually also made a bunch of other washi-covered card fronts using this and similar washi tape designs from Alexander Renke, and you can see those on the screen right now. I turned all of them into super simple and quick holiday cards, and I actually made a short tutorial showing the how-to process for these, and you can find that video on my Facebook page or on my IGTV account. It's not here on YouTube. Now, I actually want to add to this design. I want to customize it and make it my own. To do that, I'm going to use this stars pattern stencil from Alexander Renke and some of my glimmer paste from Tonic Studios in red. Adding these stars over the washi tape print is going to help me mute the design a little bit and will also add a little bit of sparkle to my card because you can never have too much sparkle on your Christmas projects. I picked red glimmer paste here as the washi tape design has bits of red in it already, and I thought it would coordinate really well with the printed washi tape design. So when you go to pick the color of glimmer paste you want to apply on top, make sure you're using a color that's available on the background of your card. Or if you don't have the glimmer paste that matches in color, you can always go with white or clear paste just to add some texture to your card. I'm going to remove the stencil and voila! I love how this turned out, and I'm super glad that I did go with red, as I honestly wasn't sure if that would look good. I pulled out a bunch of paste colors and I was debating using green here. I'm super glad that I went with red. Just a note, make sure you wash your stencil right away and also your palette knife, as this paste dries quickly and it also dries hard, so wash it right away to be able to reuse your tools. Next, I moved on to stamping a sentiment portion for this card, and again, I wasn't sure what colors would look best, so here I've already started using green, but I also brought in red. The stamp set that I'm using for this is a very fun and unique one. This is called Festive Season, and it has a tree outline along with a stamp to add color to your tree. So it's like a layering stamp set, but not quite, as the layering section is very loose and it has more of a watercolor look and feel to it. It's messy, but it's a controlled kind of messy. It's really awesome, and I think that Alexander Renke brand actually has several stamp sets of this kind where there's an outline and then a messy layering option for this kind of look. Here I'm using the layering stamp all on its own. It still has the tree shape to it, but it's very vague. It only suggests a tree. I'm actually going to use this as a placeholder for a sentiment for my card, and instead of going with something pre-made, I'm going to make my own sentiment by using 2 stamps and doing some stamp surgery. Here, I'm first heat embossing the large joy in white embossing powder right in the center of this splatter image. And next, I'm going to add EN to turn joy into enjoy, and also every moment. You can customize your clear stamps by cutting them apart and combining in a different way. If you don't feel comfortable with cutting them, you can always mask a portion of your clear stamps or use one of the other sentiment options that is available in your stamp set. I simply always like to have something different in my cards, so that's why I like to come up with my own sentiments and customize the things I already have. So here's my sentiment all nice and complete. I did use a circle die to cut it out into a circle to be able to use it for my card. I foam mounted it in place to pop it up above the background. I also heat embossed Merry Christmas on the green tree, and you can see it off to the side there, as again, I wasn't sure which one I'd like best. I didn't use it, so I'm saving it for another project. I also decorated the inside of an envelope to match with the card design, and it was super easy to do using this washi tape. I just adhered it in place and then trimmed using scissors. I'm going to put my card inside now, and it's ready to be mailed. I hope you'll give this idea a try using these or other washi tapes from your stash. If you do, remember to share online and tag us on social media. We always love seeing what you guys are making. On the screen, there's a link to a playlist with all of my Christmas card tutorials. Subscribe now not to miss any new card making videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!